How to speak English easily, top tips for fluency. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that many of you have requested: how to speak English easily. If you've been struggling with English fluency, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share some valuable tips and techniques that will help you speak English with confidence. Without any more delay, let's jump straight into it. Tip 1. Build a strong foundation. The first step to speaking English easily is to build a strong foundation. Start by improving your vocabulary and learning basic grammar rules. You can keep a vocabulary journal and note down new words you come across. Make a habit of reading English books, newspapers, or online articles to expose yourself to different words and phrases. Tip 2. Practice speaking regularly. Repetition leads to mastery, and this principle applies to the process of acquiring languages as well. Dedicate some time each day to speak in English. You can start by talking to yourself in front of a mirror or even recording your voice. This will help you become more comfortable with the language and work on your pronunciation. Tip 3. Engage in conversations. To really enhance your speaking skills, engage in conversations with native speakers or fellow learners. Don't be afraid of making mistakes, they're a natural part of the learning process. Join language exchange groups, online forums, or even find a language partner. This interaction will boost your confidence and help you learn colloquial expressions. Tip 4. Watch and listen. Watching movies, TV shows, and listening to podcasts or songs in English can be incredibly beneficial. Start with content that includes subtitles, so you can associate words with their pronunciation. This will help you improve your listening skills and also expose you to different accents and slang. Tip 5. Think in English. Engaging in an effective method involves starting your thoughts utilizing the English language. This means that instead of translating from your native language, try to think and form sentences directly in English. It might be challenging at first, but with practice, it becomes more natural and speeds up your conversation skills. Tip 6. Stay consistent and patient. Remember, learning a language takes time and dedication. Stay consistent with your practice, and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Patience is key to mastering any skill, including language. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and keep pushing forward. Conclusion. Presented here are a collection of effective suggestions to elevate your competence in English speaking. Building a strong foundation, practicing regularly, engaging in conversations, immersing yourself in English media. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy learning!